Hi, today I'm running with Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So first, let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the security and privacy section. Then tap here to other security settings and click to set up SIM card lock. Just to remove SIM pin from the SIM card, we should tap once on the switcher and you should enter your currently PIN code. In my case, that is from 1 to 4. After that, just tap to OK, and now we can see that we just successfully removed SIM pin from our device SIM card. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.